guys, welcome back to my channel Toontastic. It's with Iman. I am Imanali and today I am here at Pakistan's Museum La Versa, and oh my god guys, the road was so horror and you can see my face in the light, not my hairs or my dress, because it is very dark. We're here at the night and I guess it's now like 8:30 or something, and over here there is nothing here, there's just darkness. So we are going for a very interesting place and I'm gonna show you guys the pictures of that place, so let's go. So guys, as you can see here, the museum is closed. I'm just so unlucky, but guys, look at here. This is our first Governor General Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah on a carriage. So unluckily we didn't got the time to get in, but we're gonna take you to that place. It's beautiful and it's humongous. So let's going up to that beautiful place and look over here. It's the whole story of whatnot. I have no clue. I guess this is about that thing. It's telling about the provinces of Pakistan, because it says over here that it is about the provinces of Pakistan. So basically they're supposed to be, these are the crescents. They're telling that when they combine, when these provinces combine, these crescents make a full moon. So interesting. What a beauty. And guys, I can see some very good artwork right over there, so I'm pretty hoping that there are sketches on it with clay. Wow, look at the view, guys. I think it won't be captured in the camera. That's a museum. Come on, let's go. Guys, oh my god. So guys, these are the crescents of the Pakistan monument. As you can see, different famous places of the 4 provinces. So guys, this is the next crescent, and in this there is a picture of our national poet named as Allama Muhammad Iqbal. Guys, this is the 3rd crescent, and in this there is a picture of our first Governor General and founder of Pakistan, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, along with her sister Fatima Jinnah. So guys, this is the last pillar, and mashallah, the monument is so beautiful. Guys, I'm super happy that we got here in La Versa, but unluckily we didn't really reach here in time of the museum. The museum gets closed at 8 and we reached at about 8:30, so we were late about half an hour. So they cannot let us go inside the museum, but luckily we were able to find this beautiful 4 provinces crescent, and it was beautiful. The artwork over there was magnificent, and the picture of me and my mamu is of my smaller mamu, my Vicky mamu, and his name is Vicky mamu. And before it was my Umair mamu, and now it's my Vicky mamu. And we're here at a beautiful candlelight park, and you must be thinking, why am I calling this a candlelight? Because they're little candles. They're so pretty. Let me give you a view of them. Look at them. Aren't they just so pretty? And there are also animals here, and the way was so spooky. It was like some wild animals were watching us. Look at it. It's just beautiful. I'm so afraid of clowns, and my mommy just said me to click a picture with him. And oh my god, his makeup was frightening. It was looking like he was just got it from a horror movie. And when he was like smiling at that, he's literally gonna take out his knife and stab me. It was so funny. Okay guys, I'm gonna take a picture right over here in the stairs because I can see some lights in the stairs, so yeah. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button, like and share so you can become a part of my Toontastic family. I hope you enjoyed. See you soon and bye!